Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our Civil 3D Subassembly Composer video. In the previous videos, we have made this subassembly from points, link, and shape. Then we put the parameters. We target also. We put the target parameter. Then in the previous class, we put the super elevation, assign for super elevation to our links. Today, uh, we will assign or add codes to our these points and links and shape. As we know, if I go to Civil 3D, before I will show you an example so you will understand. If I come to this point, you can see the last point code is crown. Then the next one is crown underscore pay1. The link, if I hover the cursor over there, this tab pay, and the other one is pay1, and the datum, the below is subbase datum. Datum we assign datum because when we attach our corridor, this if I go to the property of the corridor, when we create a surface, we select here a bottom link. Bottom link mean it will connect all these the bottom line. So remember, when you give codes to your links, don't give datum to the above one, because when you will draw cross section, your datum line will come here. Then if you give any datum here code to the upper one, it will connect the upper one. So remember, the datum code must be only for the below. The upper code you can give anything, top, pay, anything, but for the below line, here you should give datum to below line or link. Now you can see in each of the subassembly there is a datum, subbase, comma, datum. So same like this, today we will assign code to our points. As I have point 1, I can select from here this point 1 or from here. Then if I see here this point number, and the next option is point code, I will enter double comma, type upper, and then I will write any code. Suppose this is the starting point. So in Civil 3D, generally they use crown point name, so I will rename it as a crown, and then I will tab. Tab mean accept, and as you see here in your subassembly composer, this will be unchecked, so it will not show anything. So if you want to know this code is assigned to your subassembly, click here and it will show you the code you assigned to this point. Now as you can see, the crown is showing this point have code crown. The next point is number 2. If as I click here point number 2, from here or from here point number 2, suppose the similar edge of travel way, ETW, same like the Civil 3D, I will give code. You can rename anything and then enter tab. Enter tab mean accept. Now you can see both the code have, and now point have code. The third point same like here. This third point is point code. Suppose this is a datum, so I will write a datum, then comma, this subgrade, suppose this subgrade, so I will write subgrade, and then double commas and tab. After that enter tab, and now you can see you can move this datum subgrade. They have both codes, same like here point number 4, datum comma subgrade, and then tab. Okay, Now all the four point have its own codes, so I will give uh, code to the links now. This is link 1. If I see here, this is the link. If I came here, this is the link 1 code, so I will write, suppose this is the top one, so I will write PEV subgrade anything. You can rename its or comma top. When you will create the top surface, it will catch this line, and then tab. And now you can see PEV top. For the bottom one, I will assign a code data comma subgrade or bottom subgrade, like you can write anything bottom, and then tab. So now both the links, don't put link here or here, because when you put bottom here, it will catch this point. Your line will go here and then it will connect to here. You can simply put in the link number 2. This is the link number 2. If I came here, just put the subgrade, so you will know. Okay, now this one and this one left here, same like you can give. Okay, the one thing now remaining, the shape. The shape don't have code. You can assign shape code here. Suppose this is subgrade concrete anything. You can here. Now the shape have, or the better remove this one and come here and create a new space. From here select the string. The string is in the beginning. I told that this is the whole number, this is decimal with number with decimal, and the last one is the text. So right here subgrade. Great. And here the input value, the default value maybe anything. Here display, this will it will show you there. So here as this I assign a subgrade here, I will come here and I will write subgrade. And now you can see here the value, the default value, it's text. So right here. Okay, now you can see the string is subgrade, so it's showing you s1. The shape have a subgrade code. So like this you can assign codes to your point, your link, and your shape. So when you will import this subassembly here, you can make a section from this. You can calculate the material from here. So this was today video, how to assign code to your point, link, and shape. Hopefully you will practice on it. Okay, thank you.